Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both phones and taking immediate action. Make sure your old iPhone is backed up to iCloud. This preserves your watch settings. Once done, open Watch app on the old phone and choose Unpair Apple Watch. This creates a backup and removes the watch from your account. Keep the watch on its charger and maintain Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. This first step saves time later because the backup lets you restore settings on the new iPhone without rebuilding everything. Next, power up the new iPhone and sign into your Apple ID. Restore the most recent iCloud backup so watch data is available. Once the phone is ready, open the Watch app, hold the watch close and tap pair, then select Restore from Backup. Follow the pairing animation and enter passcodes when prompted. This restores watch faces, apps, and settings automatically. If the watch has cellular, you'll be asked to transfer the plan, choose Transfer Now, or call your carrier if transfer options are unclear. Finish by confirming critical services. Open Settings and check Health Sync, Apple Pay cards, notification permissions, and location settings. Make sure they match your preferences. Reopen apps that need extra sign-in and briefly test workouts and heart rate monitoring to confirm sensors work. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Restart both devices, ensure both are on the latest iOS and watchOS, then try pairing again. If issues persist, contact Apple support or your carrier for cellular activation help. That usually resolves edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.